Hi YouTube, I'm going to do today on Zotero is a plugin to Firefox and OpenOffice completed through the Firefox plugin system to allow you to do several things with bibliographic entries in word processing documents. And for those people who are university students or require to cite their research, this is an important tool which can be a replacement to EndNote or some of these other more popular closed source programs. Zotero is built by the George Mason University and the community. So what we're going to have a look at here is Zotero. You can download the plugin just here, and for those who don't know how to install plugins, you just open up a Firefox page and drag from the desktop that plugin and it will offer to install it. You need to also install these word processor plugins, and we have here clearly Windows, Word for Windows 1, Word for Macintosh, and OpenOffice. So the selection of browsers and word processing programs is quite limited at the moment. I would hope in the future that they might extend that as maybe the plugin systems to these things become standardised. Interesting to note that there is no plugin for Chromium or Internet Explorer at this time. Right, what I'm going to do is show you a practical example. I go to Google Scholar and I find an article on Linux. Okay, it actually happens to be booked at this stage. I click on here, okay, and I put that book just there. You can see here, it grabs the item, it saves it. Okay. Now, if there weren't multiple items, it would just save it. You can do this off ProQuest and several other databases. Okay, and bear with me for a second while I try and find this little article where it's gone. So Linux kernel development. Okay, see that there? You can edit all the details in there, and those will be edited in our document. So anyway, I'm just going to bring up OpenOffice. Okay. So we'll just bring up OpenOffice, and what we'll be doing is showing you how to insert a citation into and how to edit that citation if you don't like something about it. Okay. So okay, insert. Okay, and document preferences has come up. Yes, we're going to choose the Chicago Manual of Style. Okay, now we go Linux kernel development. Nice. Right, let's say it was page 53 we're quoting. Okay. Okay, now of course I could have done something like this. Now my computer has a heart attack. Okay, and I could have just gone and inserted that in here. Okay. Okay, and I just could have clicked, yeah, page, let's say 43 this time. Okay, like that. And you can suppress the author and things like that too, if you're quoting someone or something like Lavatel say, or like that, blah blah blah. Okay, so the next thing to do is we want to insert a bibliography, because what's the point of all this if we can't do our work easily? So we insert bibliography. Okay, now say there was something wrong. Maybe it was Lovette, not love, but Lovette. Maybe there was whoever edited the little database template did something wrong, and it's actually Lovette. Okay, well that's easily enough edited. And I'll go in here. Go back into OpenOffice and I'll just refresh, and Lovette is changed. So you can change anything about it pretty much. There are different citation templates, and you can work with those, edit them as well. There are guides on how to edit those as well. I'll leave that up to you though, because it's a bit more advanced than this video offers. Anyway, this has just been an introduction into how to use an alternative to EndNote, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Goodbye YouTube.